Welcome back. In this video, we'll be learning about predictive modeling in data analytics. Prediction is a fundamentally important activity and can take many different forms. The process of using data and models to make predictions is often called predictive modeling. In predictive modeling, we would like to understand the relationship between a set of variables. The variable of interest on which we would like to make the prediction is called the target variable. All other variables other than the target variable are called predictive variable. You are likely to encounter many different ways to refer to those variables. In this course, we stick to the terminology introduced here. A predictive model links predictive variables with the target variable. That is, the predictive model takes predicted variable as input and produces an output which can be related to the target variable. Why are we interested in predictive modeling? As I already mentioned, we are often interested in making predictions. A related and sometimes even more important goal, however, is to gain insight on the relationship among the different variables. That is, we would like to gain some intuitive and accurate understanding of how different things are related. Our personal experience would suggest that such knowledge is often quite valuable. Predictive modeling can be roughly divided into two types, regression and classification. The difference lies in the type of the target variable. In classification, the target variable is binary or categorical. Examples of categorical variables include customer churn, known default, and to buy or not to buy a product. A customer churn occurs when a customer stops purchasing a product or subscribing to a service. A known is default if a customer fails to pay back a loan. In all these cases, there is a limited number of possible outcomes. A customer either stays with a company or not. A known is either default or not, and someone may choose to buy or not to buy a given product. In contrast, the target variable in regression is continuous, which can theoretically have an infinite number of possible values. Examples of continuous variables include house prices, sales amount, and temperature. Note that each of them can take many different values. We'll start this module by learning how to predict a continuous variable using linear regression. Then we'll discuss several important concepts in predictive modeling. We'll wrap up the module by practicing building predictive models using a tool called XLMiner.